Hey Petty Fam, we're back with another video. We're doing couples nail spa date. Let's get into it. Queen and Clarence.
Every time I say
it's okay.
I know, but every time I think he's gonna say gang, I say gang.
You be trying to say the same thing as me.
I do. I wanna like sound like uniform, you know? Y'all, we about to get some brunch. It is 1:42 right now. We starting a little late, but I like that because you know, you're supposed to let your body burn fat first, you know.
But I know y'all been peeping. We a little more consistent. We're trying to stay a little more consistent.
Yeah, give us our credit. Give us our credit.
Because y'all be getting on our body. Hey,
I'm proud of y'all. Y'all doing great. I gotta be like y'all now. So I'm gonna do both of these, y'all.
At y'all with the vlogs.
We be seeing the comments. Y'all be having a lot of slick shit to say.
Word. So we want to get some healthy brunch.
Don't be petty unless you petty, fam. And definitely don't be talking about Queen and Clare. Or us, actually. Don't talk about nobody.
And then after that, we're going to do I need to get my eyebrows done. I don't know if he's going to... Are you going to come with me or...
Probably not.
Why, babe?
I gotta just go home.
I wanted you to vlog me getting it done.
You can vlog yourself.
No, I can't. When the lady like doing my brow, whatever, like I can never really hold it. But whatever, if he don't want to go with me, whatever. He needs to change. He needs to change because we're gonna get our feet done together and stuff.
Yeah, I got this little pet peeve, y'all, of like I don't like when I wear sweats and I go get like my feet done, and they like pull my leg sleeve all the way up, and then like when I'm done. My shit is drooping crazy. Like, there's no coming back from there, and then it be wet at the edges. Like, I don't know. Maybe I just got OCD.
No, I'm gonna say well.
But, like, I don't like that. I hate that, bro.
They
like,
do that with my leggings.
It cringes. Like, I be so mad the whole time. You know what I'm saying?
You ever seen baggy leggings at the bottom?
Yeah, I could. Like, that's probably. It looks stupid.
Yeah, it be baggy and wet at the bottom of my legs.
So I have to wear shorts. Like,
I have on sweats right now.
I will go in shorts no matter the weather. Seriously. Or I'll have to wear some sweats I don't care about.
Yeah. So we're doing that. I need to make a Target run. I need to get some more of my blue stars because I'm running out. And then there's something else. I want to go to Sephora. I know you probably don't want to go with me though, but let me get some stuff.
Where's that at?
It's like, it's in that nice little area.
I think I know where that's at.
In that nice little area by Panera. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we gonna do, bro, what is wrong with me? Why can't I talk? We gonna be doing a little vlog.
Yeah, we can do. This gonna be
y'all get y'all brunch. Y'all tired.
Like a little maybe self-care.
Couple self-care errands.
Something like that.
Plug.
But let's get in here before it closes.
Let's get to it.
Bro, does this look like me? Everybody keeps saying this to me, saying it look like you. Look. This nigga with the green shorts.
What? Oh my God, he do got an action figure head like you.
He said an activator head. You know what? And this is how I know this ain't Claire though, because Claire don't wear no shorts that long.
It's funny, I kind of got the same deal. I got the same deal.
Nigga Zabi Roby said, nigga, so on first glance, I'm thinking this is you. I'm like, my nigga be in the gym going dumb. You're stupid. Why are you staring at me?
Cause you so fine. I'm handsome too, y'all. I just got me trying to be a little healthier on the healthier side today. I know I always restart this whole thing, but I got me an egg white omelet with some turkey sausage.
Oh, that look good. That's nice and healthy.
Here is my egg white omelet. This is a grits that I'm gonna hand over to Clarence. I ain't gonna lie, these look dumb good, but they're hot. Has what kind of omelet you got, babe?
Chorizo.
Chorizo omelet. Okay, looking pretty good. I'm about to get my eyebrows squirted real quick because it's been a while, y'all. It's been so long since I had these boys threaded. They super thick like caterpillars. So I just got my eyebrows threaded and it's been a minute since I did this, but I'm about to get them tinted. I usually wouldn't get them tinted with no lashes, but I'm gonna do a very, very light tint. Just so it'll, like, I don't know, maybe add a little va-va-voom, a little razzle-dazzle. But I'm sure y'all can see my concealer right here, can you? I don't care. After this, I'm gonna go pick Clarence back up so we can get our feet done. I really want to take these nails off, but I don't know whether I should just go to the shop and get my nails done or do my nail lady to come to me. I just know that's gonna take time, and I just personally want these off. So I might do these like a little white SNS. Wow. This is me with the tint on. Of course, it's gonna sit on it for 5 minutes and then get wiped off. But this is crazy. Like, imagine if I really walked around like this. I feel you, babe. I feel you. I'm about to get in this bed with you. So we definitely took a nap. That definitely wasn't supposed to happen. I was supposed to go home and get him, but he was in that bed, and baby, let me tell you, when I was driving, my eyes were so heavy, I just had to just get in the bed with him. So, so we took like a little, I want to say it was like a 2-hour nap.
Little siesta in the middle of the day. Yes, those are the best. Those midday naps, boy, that's genius.
Like a little 2-hour nap, and we literally going last minute
Power nap
to the nail salon before they close. And we still got to make a couple of store stops. So, and it's really time for me to eat, because trying not to eat past 8. Every time I try to not eat past 8, I always end up eating later. So I hate that, but Hi.
I need feet and hands, both of us.
Yeah, take off and probably just SNS, and then nail and toes.
Pedicure too.
Yes.
Okay. 2 pedicure and nail. Can you pick color for your nail?
Funny bunny.
Funny bunny.
This is the nail salon, guys. This is actually super cute. I see why you come here, babe.
Queen is getting her. She like she's getting OD pampered right now. At the same time. She said she needed this today, so I had to wake up out of my sleep to make sure this got done, right?
Yeah, I almost thought you wasn't gonna go. I was like,
No, I was. I just needed a little time, bro. I was winded. But I finally took Queen to my place. This is my place right here. They treat you like royalty, you know? They gave me a Sprite, but this could have been mimosas. They do mimosas. They do red wine, champagne. You know what I'm saying? They got the nice ass chairs. Vibrate. Let me turn it on for you. Look at this.
One day I should bring CJ. I know Legend probably won't. They got the same kids chairs over here.
You guys do like kids too? Like kids pedicures?
Yeah, we had a chair over here.
Oh, okay.
Maybe one day I bring my son.
That'd be dope. Might have to bring CJ.
Yeah, because his little toenails are crusty.
That's petty. How you do your son like that? But we about to probably get some food after this.
I just want to stand here because I like that golden light right there. That's all. The sky looks pretty, don't it? Over there, right?
Yeah.
Can I have a kiss on camera just because?
You try to eat my face?
Oh, they're so cute.
Right there.
I want to eat something else. Just kidding.
Like
I mean, no,
Kava?
I'm not kidding. We just left Kava. I felt like there was no need to record that because y'all seen footage of us eating Kava already.
They got the little Whole Foods carts.
Oh.
Like instead of the regular one?
We are going.
Oh.
Babe, why you just do that?
Dang, is you okay, Queen? Was that her knee?
We about to meal prep, y'all. Actually, our first time doing this, so yeah. Here we are. In Publix. What you looking for, broccolini? They broccolini got too many leaves. Like, what is up with that? Butterhead. I never seen that. Butterhead. You want to go there instead? Okay. So what you thinking?
Unless you want to go there to shop, period.
We could just go there and get the broccolini. We already here. What kind of meats you want to do?
Let's do steak and chicken.
Steak and chicken. Meat.
So like, we could do. So
steak,
one,
chicken. I'm gonna do some shrimp too.
Yeah, you could do shrimp.
Shrimp.
And then maybe the next week you could do like.
I'm probably gonna do chicken and salmon or something. Yeah, maybe chicken and salmon.
I need the gains.
He needs that.
I need that protein.
Pause. He needs that meat though.
I
ain't
know
lying
what you
on
about to say.
He need that beef. So boom, we got some chicken breast.
She's so silly. I think it was cool that they got her work there, started recording and didn't say nothing.
So Queen, we're over here meal prepping, and she's gonna come over here.
I said, ooh, but I'm not gonna lie. No, I'm just playing.
We were just talking about she might be really addicted to
I am
sweets.
addicted to chip pie, but this is me showing my addiction. Like when I walk past, like it's like, ooh, but I put it
Those don't
down.
even look good.
Babe, but they're strawberry bundt cakes. I never had that.
Exactly. So why is it even catching your eye?
Because
Like
it's
something
pink.
like this would probably.
Because it's pink.
Nah, these look nasty too.
Ooh, healthy Choco Bites.
Hey, put it down.
It say healthy.
We're meal prepping.
Well, look, it say healthy. Alyssa's healthy Choco Bites.
What is the
Gluten-free, non-GMO, high fiber, no sugar added. Let me find out. They have silk almond milk vanilla yogurt, and I didn't even know they had that. So I'm gonna try just this one. No, I'm trying to like other things, cause
if it ain't sweets, you ain't going.
no, but I could put like some crumble in here.
If it ain't sweets, you ain't beat.
If it ain't sweets, I ain't beat.
Claire trying, leave him alone.
You ain't having it.
Hey, yo, chill out, son.
What milk is that?
Milk.
Get to go New York on him.
You be getting Califica?
did.
It's over here, Califica.
That was Califia.
Oh. Califia.
Alright, we back home. About to start meal prepping. Queen's over here on the chicken. She's about to beat that chicken. About to beat it up.
Beat it up, beat it up, beat it up, beat it up.
And I'm over here on the sweet potatoes. Like, have you ever seen someone cut sweet potatoes like this fine? Like, look at that.
Yeah, they good. You put some oil on them and cook them.
On my thing over there. It's my first time ever cutting. Let me demonstrate one for you. Come on. Come on. Never even seen it done like that, one hand. Sometimes we get a little bored eating the same shit every day, so we're gonna do chicken, steak. I think Queen's just doing chicken, all right?
I'm gonna do chicken and salmon. I still got some salmon.
So Queen's doing chicken and salmon. Can I do some salmon too? Like maybe one salmon?
Yeah, of course.
Chicken, steak, salmon, and then the sides are gonna be broccolini,
And
baby corn, and sweet potato. Just like
That's gonna be really good with the honey on it.
one more scoop.
You like a little chef?
Brown sugar on it, okay, Claire Bear with the potatoes. He got the gloves on. He's not playing with y'all. He is not playing. I'm pulling up, Claire. I'm pulling up for those.
Like this, sum it out, man.
The nutmeg.
No sweet potato left behind.
I'm trying to get every sweet potato, bro.
Y'all get an A+ for the seasoning. And the broccolini look good.
So the broccolini is out. She's showing them a little love with some lemon garlic butter. That look mad good.
No, it wasn't.
So tell us what we're doing now.
We are now doing the steak.
So this is what we got so far. So you got 4 ounces of
Okay, with the meal prep, yes. Love it, y'all. Love it.
chicken and some broccolini. We're probably gonna add some sweet potato to these. How does it look so far? Queen's doing a thing over here with this prima donna.
Yeah, this is a truth.
Jig.
This is a truth. It is.
Shout out to prima donna.
Yeah, shout out to prima donna.
Look at this steak, gang. Really get that going. Got the steak. I already showed you the chicken. Alright, this last steak on this form. Got salmon bites over here.
Cutting them up about to see
Crazy.
something.
We're going crazy right now.
We are. This is well. I like it. I like cooking with you.
Bro, imagine we do all this and don't finish it or don't eat it. Fucking end up Uber eating.
No, we're not doing that. We gotta delete the app.
She'll be dumb funny.
We gotta delete the Uber Eats app.
We might have to. We're gonna check back in though. We're gonna check back. And we're gonna show y'all our progress with this. Like next video, if y'all don't see us like eating meal prep, then we failed. What you making, honey?
That's some good looking stuff though, so I think y'all could do it.
Garlic salmon bites on here?
Guess what the hell I did?
You burnt it?
I burnt it. Not all of them. These at the end for sure.
Oh my god.
I'm so hurt. Oh, you see, I can't, bro. I can't focus. I just wanna.
Right.
It's hard cooking multiple things, but you know what? Sometimes those burnt potatoes, sweet potatoes go hard. Y'all need to try it.
We burnt the
I wanna cry right now.
we burnt the sweet potato.
Nasty. I'm pissed.
We literally only got one sweet potato left. We gotta save some though. We just gotta burn sweet potatoes this week.
No, we got.
Alright, hold this before I burn the steak.
Oh my lord, he's about to burn a steak. Flip it, hurry.
That's how I like it.
Y'all be cooking on super high like me.
That steak right there. You ain't burning that no shit. Sorry. Got a little dry.
Oh my god, y'all.
Thanks for saving the steak, Claire. That's all right. Them potatoes good, y'all. I eat them.
Oh, stress. I mean, this one don't look bad, but
It's my fault though, because that was my job, the sweet potato. But I started doing the steak though.
I know, and then I started doing the salmon. This is just a lot, but we'll get through it. I know I should.
I don't mind it.
And then y'all gotta keep in mind, it's knowing them, it's probably like 1 a.m. in the morning while they're doing all this. So they tired still.
Try to save something, then we cut up that other one.
All right.
We are currently trying to get the sweet potato soft enough.
Throw it in the trash.
Y'all.
Put it in the trash, yeah.
Put the parchment paper. I am literally, y'all. I'm sad. I cannot even lie. My little sweet potatoes, man.
Things good now?
Just when we thought we was doing something.
Yeah, we got to, honey.
We always gotta be humble, man. Stay humble. Your potatoes are burning. I feel like this whole thing is going in the trash. But I want my pan. This is my cookie sheet. I mean, I could buy another one from Amazon, but still.
I think that'd be more trouble getting off. Just throw it out.
The whole thing?
Throw it away, sis. Them things is not coming off. And everything else is gonna be burnt.
The whole thing?
I mean, if you want it, you're wasting more time doing this when you could be doing the salmon bites. The salmon bites over here lonely as hell.
I want to slide down the wall. Look at the sink. Man, what is that?
That's a whole bunch of cinnamon and burntness.
Oh, y'all. I'm tired. I am winded. It's probably 2 in the morning. We did it though, y'all. I'm gonna be honest. I couldn't have done it by
I told y'all it's 2 in the morning.
myself. I couldn't have done it by myself. Clarence is a great sport. He can run a whole restaurant. Like the way he like multitasks. He's like cleaning while cooking. It could never be me. I'm sorry. After the sweet potatoes got burnt, I think I was out, but I kept going. This is what we ended up getting for meal prep, y'all. And to be honest, for a first time, I think we did pretty good. We got 16 meals. None of them got the same size. salmon bites, roasted corn, and broccolini, roasted broccolini.
We didn't get enough sides.
We did not get enough sides at all. Like, yo,
we was good on the no homo on the entree. I was gonna say meat, but we was good on the entree, but the sides is lacking. So each thing got like 3 corns, 4 broccolinis.
Like, you know, we had to make it do what it do. And we got all these different container trays, which I don't mind, but
Yeah, it's driving me crazy.
It's driving his OCD crazy.
Watch, he just all these, and
he want to throw them all out and get all
I'm gonna go Amazon.
This one has sweet potato, steak, and broccolini.
Finally done with that, but I think the problem would be is we have a small ass fridge right now.
Now we gotta figure out how to figure out how to fit everything into this
Look
fridge.
at our fridge.
I can't wait to move.
Where do you see?
Where's the room at, y'all, for all of this stuff?
Maybe we move this stuff to down.
Maybe because
That it?
Yep.
Oh God.
Okay, Claire, man with the plan.
Good. You're a great compactor. It is the next day, y'all, and I know I got these patches on my face again, but your girl, I don't care. I'm trying to get rid of these pimples, okay? This will be my first time eating my own meal prep. Usually I get someone else's meal prep and I don't end up eating it, but since we actually took the time and made it, I'm gonna eat all this meal prep. I'm gonna see if it's still good because, you know, stuff warmed up not always the best, but we about to see right now. This is a small portion, but small portions is what make you lose weight. So I'm gonna try the salmon first. I wonder if I heated it up all the way. I did only put it on like a minute. It's still a little cold, but it's still really good, but I'm about to warm it up a little bit more. I'm gonna throw some hot sauce on these too.
Hot sauce. Red hot sauce.
That's right, Legend. Hot sauce.
Legend, you're so cute. I got me an Olipop too. It tastes like soda, but it's not soda. And it's healthier, I guess. Only got 4 grams of sugar. And it's only 45 calories. And they're really good. So if y'all looking for that soda feeling still, get you an Olipop. I think I got that from, they have it at Whole Foods. I think I got this one from Publix though. Hot. Baby corn busting. You put A1 on there?
That's Daddy's apple juice.
It's Daddy's apple juice.
That's mine.
This is.
Don't be stealing Legend's apple juice. Although I do love juice, and that is a good one. But give him his juice. He's trying to open it for you though, Legend. He playing with you. That's so cute.
Mine. It's Daddy's.
Wow.
He said, wow, you really sipped it?
That's your apple juice. You see your apple juice?
What do you say?
Thank you.
You're welcome. So Clarence is trying our meal prep for the first time. How is it warmed up? Still good?
Mm-hmm. Was the apple juice yummy? Okay.
What do you say?
Yes, he belched. He said, yes, it is.
Excuse me.
Liz, you want to say hi to the camera? Say hi.
Hi, vlog.
Hey, sweet pea. He's so nice. Aw, aren't you cute? He speaks to us now. I love it.
Vlog.
What is that, babe? Is that an alarm? So yesterday I never got to go to, oh shoot, let me back up. I'm so sorry, lady. I'm just blocking it. Look, she gonna get mad. At least I moved back. Oh, I'm still in reverse. Yesterday
Child, be careful. And forget that lady. We didn't think about you, whatever.
I never got to run a Target or Sephora. So I'm gonna do that right now. I went to go grab CJ, not even realizing that Momo grabbed him already. So, like, I don't know where my mind is, but I'm going to just go to these stores real quick by myself. I was going to take CJ, but okay, cool. I got some time to myself. By the way, I didn't show you guys, but yesterday I just ended up getting my nails. My nails, just a basic almond shape funny bunny. I got my toes the same way, and that was pretty cool. I really need to get another facial. I need to schedule a facial, but I'm gonna wait on that because I got so many other things going on. Oh my god, y'all, I gained so much weight. I do want to say though, I remember I weighed myself at 157 today. I weighed in and I was 153. I don't even know what it is, but I'm trying to do this thing where I kind of like stay away from sugar and sweets because that's my weakness. Yesterday I didn't snack. I didn't indulge in no sweets, no cookies, cakes, pies, ice cream, and today neither did I either. So I'm gonna give myself a
That's good, girl. I'm proud of you. It's every day's a new battle, child.
pat on the back for that. Okay, so let me show y'all some things that I got from Target. I got more than I came in here for, which always happens. That's why Target could be very dangerous.
Me too, girl. Been there, done that.
But let me just show you guys what I got. And yes, I picked up a mask and I start wearing it. This is the brand I use for my face, for the face wash. So I never got a chance to get the moisturizer, and I noticed Clarence had it. So I got me one and I got him one because he's running out. Y'all know I love my pimple patches, and I bought them on Amazon. And I didn't even know that they had them in Target. I have the stars on now. Oh, wait a minute. Nah, these too big. Never mind, I'm putting them back. I thought they were smaller. I also picked this up, which is the first time I've seen it. It's an eczema soothing relief skin cream, and it's for the hands as well. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but like I said, I have eczema on my knuckles, on my hand. You can't really see it on this hand, or maybe you can, but I have it. So I'm going to try this out to see how this works because their other stuff worked really good. So I love these down there wipes because one, they're just really refreshing. A lot of times when you're in public, or I don't know, even just when you tinkle, you know what I'm saying? You just want to refresh down there. And it's also good for like when you're on your cycle and stuff like that. So these are specifically made for the veg, and they're rose water scent. It's not like a heavy scent either, y'all. I know you're not really supposed to use scents down there, but it's a good scent, and these are just really good. So try them out for yourself. So this is one of the mascaras that I used to get a lot when I was like back before I became a YouTuber. I love the fact that it has like a comb on it, and instead of like the brush, because it like kind of separates your lashes better. And so I just went and picked this back up. Right now I still use Better Than Sex, but I'm gonna be using this too since I've been wearing no lashes. And I also picked up this Maybelline one just to try it out because it's also like a comb style, so I just want to try it out just to see. I also got some more Poo-Pourri that works really good because, you know, when you take a Duke and stuff, you don't want nobody to smell it. So you spray it in there before, and then you'll never get a smell. Plus my kids, they stink when they boo-boo, so this is good for them. Also have different scents and stuff like that, but I just want to try the lavender vanilla for the first time. This is the same brand, and this is like just an air freshener, so I just want to try it out. I also bought an apple slicer because lately I've been getting apples. As you can see, there's apples in the back because I just want to see like if it worked, because I'm tired of just slicing apples with a fork and stuff like that. I got some more tongs because after we gave everything away, we only have one pair of tongs to work with, and that's not cool. I also bought 2 of these cookie sheets slash just whatever sheet. I feel like I can make veggies on here too, but I bought this because it's a nice size, and usually my pans are too small where I have to use like multiple pans for my stuff. And since I'm gonna probably meal prep again, I think this will be good to use because it's just big. And last but not least, I just got this little 2-piece oops, I got this little two-piece, this short piece, just to wear around the house because it looks comfortable, and it's like ribbed and it's stretchy, so I just got that. And yeah, that's all, y'all. So now I'm about to try to beat Sephora before they close. Okay, I was supposed to leave, but I remembered that I needed some more underwear for Legend, and he really likes Blippi, so I found these. I just want to say he hasn't worn pull-ups literally, and it's been like a little bit more than 2 weeks, and I'm so proud of him. He's been going to the potty on his own, And yeah, we just gonna keep.
That's a big deal. Yay, legend. I'm so proud of you. And then it helps also that you got his underwear he likes, so that way he motivated.
Working through this thing, but I'm gonna get this. Oh, they got little boxers for him. Yes. I made it to Sephora and literally it's about to close, but I called them and asked them to stay open for me, so they're about to. And don't even get me started on that, because I will spend some money in Lululemon. This lighting is probably terrible, but I'm gonna end this vlog out because we never, well, sometimes we do, but lately we haven't been ending our vlogs out. And that's kind of a pet peeve to me when it comes to doing YouTube. So I just wanted to show y'all 2 things that I got from Sephora that I'm really happy about. The first thing I got is, I used to say Caldier, but I think it's pronounced Caudalie. I got this glow mist setting, whatever. Let me tell y'all something. When I first met Clarence, I was using this after my makeup, and y'all, it bring me back so much memories and nostalgia. You know how you just get something because it bring you memories? Like, the smell of this really reminds me of when I first, like, just that era of my life when I was always doing my own makeup, and like when I first traveled to New York. Just, it has so many good memories behind this smell. And one time my makeup artist Brooke just pulled it out and used it on me, and I had totally forgot about it. And I was like, I have to go get that mist because it just do something to me. Like, it make me feel better. Like, first of all, it just really, it works good, but at the same time, like, it's just a memory behind it, and it's just like meaning behind it. So I had to grab it. I also got a small bottle too, so when I travel I could just pour the big bottle into the small bottle, and so I could still bring it. Oh, I still could have brought it. It's only 3 ounces. The last thing I want to show y'all that I got before I close out. I know I got mascara at Target, but I've been using this Grande lash stuff to grow out my lashes, and they have a mascara in the same brand, and it's called Grande Drama, and it has castor oil in the mascara. So even while you're wearing a mascara, it will grow out your lashes. So this is how it looks. Oh wait, hold on. That's how it looks. I really cannot wait to try this out. I'm gonna go wipe off the mascara I have on. Right now I use Better Than Sex, but she was saying that it weighs down your lashes a lot. I hate this little block of a shadow on me, but whatever. It looked like I got on a big black band-aid. But I'm about to end this out anyway. So I'm about to go make myself a smoothie at home. Pineapple, cucumber, and coconut water. I didn't get ginger, but I'll get that another time. But it's supposed to help detox your gut, so I'm gonna do that. But yeah, I'm gonna just end this vlog out. Like I said, I keep saying it. Just end out the vlog, queen. God dang. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. I hope y'all see that we're trying to be consistent. I love you guys to death. Well, I don't know about to death. Just kidding. I love you guys, and yeah.
We love y'all too, and thank y'all for watching. And I'm glad they're being consistent. We'll try to be consistent too. We will be. But I love the idea that they're eating healthy, that they're doing couple stuff together, and it was good to see Legend. All right.
See you guys later. Mwah. Mwah. Mwah.
What?